When you take your time to ask and understand our new colleagues are and where they come from, you learn that we are not that different at all. But still I have learned even more about the difference is a good thing.
Together with the local employment office, we started up a practice project where refugees could do practice in the plant while learning Swedish at the same time. Every time when I'm out in production and meet these people who have overwon great difficulties on their way to Sweden, I see smile and proudness in their face. And this is the real thing to me, how important Barilla's work for a better planet is.
Working for Barilla has changed my life in a way that I've acquired the knowledge and independence of trying to live the life which I've never lived before. I can pay the rent, I can buy food, I can clothe myself, which I would not do before.
باريلا رجعتني إنسان، خلينا نقول يعني هاي الحقيقة. يعني إنسان حقيقي بيقدر يكفي عائلته وبيقدر يكفي نفسه، يتحول من شخص بس بياخد إعانة، مشكورين يعني، بس ولكن إني يقدر يكون منتج مرة ثانية، هذا حلم بالنسبة لي.
Quando sono arrivato in Italia la mia vita è molto difficile per pensare per il futuro, però quando sono trovato lavoro in Barilla, proprio cambiato la mia vita.
I'm happy because I find a good colleagues who also welcome me with a good heart. For me, I can say working with Barilla is one of the biggest and ever the things that I always want. You know, to find a work with the Barilla is like a good thing. I find it's like a great moment.
The blue-collar worker in the factory are open-minded too, and I think it was after a short time that they are a part of the team.
اليوم الأول اللي بلشت فيه كان كتير منيح، تعرفت على كتير عالم وكتير العالم كانوا ظراف معي، يعني لطيفين.
Quand il commence mon travail, la vie franchement il changé. Il a changé. Maintenant, il dormait, avant il dormait sur la rue, il dormait quand je suis arrivé en France. Maintenant, il y a un appartement, la vie comme tout le monde. Vive Barilla, vive la France, vive tout le monde. Merci.
My dream in the future is stability. Stability.
At Barilla, our mission is good for you, good for the planet, good for the communities. Not only does our refugee program help the refugees in the communities in which we operate, it is also good for business because they will be our future consumers.